Get ready for a head-to-head crypto trading bot battle. Nova Bot vs Trojan Bot. We're analyzing their ability to find and execute winning trades with speed. We'll judge them on profitability, speed, and ease of use. Let's begin. Nova Bot's user-friendly interface is perfect for beginners. Set it up by connecting your exchange account via API keys. Choose from pre-built strategies or customize your own by adjusting parameters like risk tolerance and take-profit levels. Backtesting lets you see how your strategy would have performed. Trojan Bot is for experienced traders. It's packed with advanced technical indicators and offers granular control. Deep backtesting lets you fine-tune your strategy, analyzing historical data for maximum profit. Be warned, it requires a steeper learning curve. Over 1 week, we deployed both bots with similar strategies on the same assets. Nova Bot scored a 75% win rate with a stable profit margin. Trojan Bot performed slightly better, with an 80% win rate thanks to its advanced features. Both bots execute trades quickly, capitalizing on market opportunities. Trojan Bot's slightly faster response time to market fluctuations could lead to higher profits. Who wins? For beginners, Nova Bot's simplicity wins. But for experienced traders seeking control and potential profit, Trojan Bot offers a powerful, albeit more complex, solution. The right choice depends on your skill level and investment goals.